I'm willing to bet most of you answered this question somehow related to protecting the occupants of the buildings. And I'm not about to suggest that that doesn't have anything to do with where some of our building codes came from, but not all of them. Because I think most building codes are meant to protect the property. And these properties might be owned or financed by someone in the banking or insurance industry. Because the earliest building codes in the United States usually have something to do with these industries. The National Building Code was established in 1905 by a United States insurance group called the National Board of Fire Underwriters. Then there was the Uniform Building Code, which was started in 1927. And then by the 1940s, there were 3 regional groups making building codes. One was the International Conference of Building Officials. The other was Building Officials and Code Administrators International. And then there was the Southern Building Code Congress International. And even though I'm sure that these groups had the best intentions, they often created building codes that were difficult to interpret and inconsistent. And it wasn't until the 1990s that the International Code Council was formed in hopes of creating a single set of building codes. And I'm not sure if these building codes are used internationally, but I do know that they are used in the United States. The bad news is that there will always be different building codes because of things like your local climate, soil conditions, and natural disasters. So what's the moral to this story? Always check with your local building department for your local building codes.